Most messes can't be erased with just a rag and cleaner. That's why Bissell is happy to offer the SpotClean Pet Pro Spot Cleaner. This machine provides superior vacuum-like suction in a compact and portable machine, giving you professional power right in the palm of your hand. It has a large capacity tank that holds 96 ounces of liquid. That works out to more than 2.5 times the size of our next largest tank, so you don't have to empty or fill these ones as often. Plus, we engineered it with a long hose and power cord, so you get extra reach while cleaning tricky spots like stairs, pet beds, car interiors, and area rugs. It's the powerful stain removal machine that every home with pets should have on hand.
Oh, you know when your 2-year-old spills the entire cup of chocolate milk right onto the carpet, and you only have enough time to blot it up before you're out the door. And its stain lives on for months as a reminder to chaperone snack time. Then, the puppy pees. Dirty shoes get worn inside, paint misses the paper. Girls' night, enough said. Before you know it, you need to do a full-on deep clean to save your sanity. That's why we have my newest best friend, the Hoover Smartwash. This is the only carpet washer that makes deep cleaning literally as easy as vacuuming. Yep, there's no trigger to squeeze, no measuring to do, and really nothing to think about. Just push the carpet washer forward and it knows to wash your carpets with the perfect amount of water in solution. Pull it back and it picks it up with super strong suction. See? Amazing results without using a heavy, dirty rental. And since it has a dry-only mode to pick up any extra water, these carpets will be dry in no time. Seriously, I might even carpet wash more often. Ah yes, a good old mystery stain. You know what? It doesn't even matter because these Flex Force Power Brushes really get deep into the carpet for a super effective clean. Oh, and those well-traveled spots? Got it. See that? It's almost like new.
Messes happen, and cleaning them up should be quick and easy. That's why Bissell created the Little Green Portable Spot Cleaner. It provides strong spray and suction for even the toughest stains around your home. Little Green has a compact design, so it stores easily in small places. Plus, it can be stored when it's filled with water and Bissell formula, so it's ready to use on large and small messes, on carpet, stains, upholstery, auto interiors, and more. It's one of our best portable spot cleaners for the price, and it's perfect for homes with our favorite kinds of mess makers. Life's messy. That's why Bissell engineered the SpotClean Pro. It's our most powerful spot cleaner, and it's ideal for removing stains from virtually anywhere in your home or car. The compact and portable design lets you take superior stain-fighting formula and superior suction to hard-to-reach spots where messes happen, but full-sized upright carpet cleaners may not fit. When the small, hard-to-reach stains strike, SpotClean Pro is there to help.
Your carpets see it all, collecting every memory and every mess, every single day. But getting a fresh start doesn't have to be intimidating. With the Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner, it's easy to use, and it delivers the impressive deep cleaning power needed to leave tough messes in the past. Hoover's Power Spin Brush Roll scrubs deep into your carpets, while strong suction and heat force cut down on dry time. And PowerDash is super lightweight and compact, so whether you're tackling spills like this, accidents like this, or just giving your home a refresh, it's no big deal with the Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner. Get impressive results only from Hoover.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.